Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a brake light. First, make sure you have a new bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver ready. It's important that your vehicle is completely off and cool before you begin. Once you're prepared, open the rear hatch of your vehicle. This will give you clear access to the taillight assembly, which is where we'll be working. Now, let's get to the taillight assembly. You'll typically find two retaining screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the brake light bulb socket, then twist it counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push it firmly into the socket. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the taillight assembly, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully align the assembly with its mounting points and push it back into the vehicle until it sits flush. Then, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, have someone check that your new brake light is working correctly. Also, for more great deals and a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.